I'm making 2 ingredient cake here. This is so stinking easy. It doesn't get any easier than this. All right, got our bowl. Now, this is the angel food cake mix that you just add water. So it has everything that you need. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. 1 can of pie filling. This one is cherry, and we're going to mix this one all in. Oh my, that is looking so delicious. All right. Now, I'm going to spray our pan. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, yum. If you don't get the bottom stuff, just get it mixed in as you're pouring it in the pan. Okay, now we're going to spread it in the pan. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees. Oh, yum. Oh, this smells so good. There we go. Okay, there is our angel food cake. We're gonna let that cool and then we will cut it. Okay, I have it cooled. It's very moist. Yum. Oh, that looks delicious.